A totus su chica with a key. Ultima Nacho me Sierra me Zorro and me Camilo it begins with an L. The whole sentence in English is, hey everyone, your girl Liz here. Last night I saw a fox on my trail cam. A totus su chica Liz aquí. Hey everyone, your girl Liz here, coming to you today. I just got done checking my camera. There's a really nice little area in here that's hidden, you know, so yeah, you can get some pretty good shots. Really, if I really wanted to, I could do some fox through behind the blinds, like sly as a fox, you know. So in order to get a fox, you have to be sly as a fox. So alright, anyhow guys, I could probably make like a blind in here. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to like zip this down a little bit. But anyhow guys, I did have a really good day then on Monday. I got some good engagement again. And then lots of shorts in the morning. I did get to an inside edition. It was crazy because the people were bounty hunters, but they were only allowed to do so in Missouri. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to deal with it today, I guess. So they were only allowed to do that in Missouri, but they did it in Kentucky, so they obviously got in trouble for that. And they watched some 4 p.m. quick cast after all my exercise, and that was pretty much it until work. Tuesday was really fun. I went with my gram in the evening, and did some more GoPro research, and obviously all my exercise in the morning. Checked my trail cam too. Got lots of joy videos for you guys as well at the end, so make sure you stick around for all of that and all the trail cam videos, or they might actually all be at the front. I'm not really sure how I'll make this video just because it has been 5 days, so it's been a while. So then it was nice to have my gram help me, like I said, from time to time. And then I did order on Tuesday. I went on a little bit of drive and then went on a hike. But I did order the GoPro from Walmart, but it wouldn't take it, so I had to just reorder it, or I had to go get it then yesterday. So anyhow guys, yesterday before work, and then I went on a walk as well. So anyhow guys, it has been really busy, but I have been having a lot of fun. I can't wait for you guys to see my joy that I have buying the GoPro and everything else. And then also Wednesday, before work, I also did get to Wild Wednesday, because I haven't done gaze like research videos in a while, so I went ahead and did that. That was really fun. There was like a social experiment they tried to trick everyone with, but they weren't actually, you know, it was like seeing how much you gaze. So that was kind of funny. But I'll definitely have to, you know, show the channel. I can't remember the channel. But anyhow guys, it has been a lot of fun, to be able to, you know, do all this the past, week and have all this joy. One step closer, guys. Oh my gosh. So anyhow guys, I will go ahead and get going, just because, you know, I am just doing quick little, you know, recaps. I will check today's camera videos, and then make sure I post them as well. And then yeah, probably finish the rest of my exercise here this morning. I know I have fire country this afternoon, not really sure, well, this evening, I'm not really sure what I'll do this afternoon, but I'll come up with something clever. So anyhow, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get some photos now, and probably include some of them at the end as well. And then, yeah, we'll be, just keep moving along and be ready for, Florida. We just keep getting closer, guys, and I am so excited. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day. A todos su chica les aquí. So anyhow, guys, I just watched my videos. I will have to add in a couple you know, corrections like I always do. However, I did also forget to share that last night was my volleyball game. So it was actually yesterday I left earlier to get the GoPro, or no, to get the SD card for the GoPro, because whenever I was testing it out on Tuesday, whenever I was testing out yesterday morning, my apologies, yeah, when I was testing it out yesterday morning, that's when, you know, I realized that you had to have that card to update it. So anyhow, guys, last night, though, at the volleyball game, I only did get one film. Next time, I'll probably try to get a couple more. But I almost got pelted like 6 times. I don't know if anybody knows, or like anybody else has ever been to like a volleyball game, but they always like amp up the training. So to start, they all come out and like do their stretches, like they're walking out like this, doing this. They also have lay down and do like, you know, arm circles behind you for your like biceps, I guess somewhat your quads even too. And then they do like these rubber bands and like the 8 motion, and then that's like 40 minutes, and then 30 minutes until actual game time. They all go off in twos and just do like serves, like mini serves or throwing, you know, like a set, that's what it's called, sorry. They do like a set, but then they start to amplify it, and they have some of the coaching staff come in, and the coaching staff throws it, it's like a weird triangle, so the coaching staff throws it up and spikes it, and then they set it like that to the staff that's like right here, and then they have where they serve in the final 15, and then in the final 10 they actually have a teammate serve it to like right at the net, and then the second teammate just pushes it just up above the net and they try to kill it. So obviously you guys will see where I was sitting, it was definitely prime, you know, placement for that. So I only got pelted like 6 times, but then thankfully it was only like 2 times during the game. So anyhow, guys, I will go ahead and get going. I don't know why I forgot to share all of that. And I didn't have dinner last night, so thankfully I had that Lunchable. Once I played around with my GoPro and I found my first film, and I made my first film, my apologies. Once I did all that, it was pretty nice. I was definitely very excited. And then today, like I said, this video probably might not be up today even. But I'm also going to try to put it underneath the water and see how it does. Obviously, you know, humans can't talk underwater, or else they would get a lot of water in their lungs and possibly die. But I will kind of be curious to see like how much noise it makes and everything. So anyhow, guys, people, come on, gosh. Anyhow, guys, I'll be very curious to see how it goes, and see how well it does. I probably won't get the security edition, the housing unit, just because, you know, it is 55, or 33 meters, and for me being a first-time scuba diver, I don't foresee myself going you know, below that. So definitely won't get a housing unit, but definitely very excited, guys. I also did do some brief research as well, on Wednesday morning as well, after I bought the camera, and I didn't share that, but I will now, on some of the research of how many days and like where I might stay along the way. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get going, still get some photos out here, and then I love my little blonde frost thing that I do, that my hair does. So anyhow guys, I'll talk to you guys later.